Did you know that an entire town has been terrorized by sounds that shouldn't exist? Since 2016, residents of Forest Grove, Oregon wake up to mechanical groaning that rattles their windows. The noise is so loud it shakes entire neighborhoods. People describe it as metallic scraping, like giant machinery grinding against itself in the darkness. But here's what makes this truly disturbing. City officials launched massive investigations. They checked every utility company, every piece of railroad equipment, even brought in the FBI. They found nothing, absolutely nothing that could create these sounds. The audio recordings are bone-chilling. You can hear the mechanical wailing cutting through the night, lasting for minutes at a time. Then it just stops. No source, no explanation. What's reported online is even more unsettling. Residents claim the sounds are getting worse, more frequent, more intense. New recordings appear regularly, shared by people who sound genuinely terrified. The authorities still have no leads, no answers, just a town that continues to be haunted by something that officially doesn't exist, something that keeps groaning in the dark.